Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talking about my thoughts on the sequel trilogy being in a different universe. Obviously this has not been proven by Disney yet, but I have seen many videos about this topic, which obviously makes me realise, what if it was? Just before we get into the video, please do subscribe and check out my gaming channel, Skeltron, link in description. Okay, first let's start with the obvious. In episode 8 we saw Luke Skywalker, and he was once the most hopeful and bright person in the galaxy, but no, not in the sequels. He is now a hermit living on a small island, wanting the Jedi to die, all because he sensed the evil in his nephew Ben Solo. Then Luke tried to kill him, but if it was our Luke, the one we saw in episode 6, he would not kill him. He would talk to him and make sure he does not turn to the dark side. And one more obvious thing is that Rey killed Palpatine, which means she would have had to have been the chosen one, but as we all know, it's supposed to be Anakin Skywalker, to destroy the Sith and free the galaxy from evil. Okay, now for the reason why it could be set in an alternate universe. Let's look at The Mandalorian first. In the last episode of The Mandalorian Season 2, Moff Gideon tried to capture Grogu, which as we know, he did not succeed. In fact, Luke Skywalker saved him, and took him to train him. But if the sequel trilogy was set in an alternate universe, that never would have happened in the sequel universe. I and many other Star Wars fans think that the sequels is set in a universe where Ahsoka Tano died, and here is why. Back to The Mandalorian, we saw Ahsoka Tano speak to the Mandalorian and Grogu, telling them to go to Typhoon, to call for the Jedi, which obviously the Jedi was Luke. But what if Ahsoka Tano died? So she would have never told Mando to go to Typhoon. But as the normal Mandalorian story goes, calling for Luke, they're captured by Moff Gideon, which Luke saved them. But if Luke never known that they were captured by Gideon, he never would have saved them. So everyone on the ship, but Grogu and Moff Gideon, would have been dead. So they would have Grogu, but the question is, why do they want Grogu? Well, they want him for his blood, but why? Well, in the same episode, you see this cloning machine. They want Grogu's blood to make the clone, and the clone looks awfully like Snoke. So I think they need Grogu's blood to make Snoke, so he could turn to Ben to the dark side. Now why does the timelines break into two? When in the series Rebels, we see Ahsoka Tano fighting Darth Vader when Ezra pulls her into a portal, maybe a portal between universes. Darth Vader walks away because he has defeated Ahsoka Tano in that universe, but Ahsoka is still in between universes. And when she gets out into the other universe, she is now in a universe where Ahsoka Tano lives. She never died. And the universe where Darth Vader kills her is the sequel universe. And when Rey kills Palpatine, you can hear all of the dead Jedi voices. But you can also hear Ahsoka Tano's, which Ahsoka Tano isn't dead, but she is dead in that universe. That's it for this video. I think they're set in an alternate universe. How about you? Do you think so? Put down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed. May the Force be with you.